Welcome to Tamil Nadu Cube Association. Today we are going to see the Scrambling Algorithms for state level Rubik's Cube tournaments. So now let's go for the video.
Mirror 3x3 scrambling. Under 6, under 10 category. Position thin layer top, thick layer bottom. R2, F2, R, U2, F, R2, U, R2, F2, R2, F prime, R prime, U2, F2, R, U, R prime, U2, R2, U prime. Your front facing, top facing, left, right facing, bottom.
Hope you are very much clear about the scrambling algorithms which you have seen now. Now let's go for the rules and regulations for the tournament. Now the first major rules is your scramble cube. Make sure that the scramble cube is correct. If not, you will be disqualified from the competition. And the second thing, your cube and your stack mat. Your cube and your stack mat must be clear to the camera so that it will be easy for the judges to get evaluated. And the third thing is video uploading link. The video uploading link will be given on the description box, so that make a note of it. It will be helpful for you for uploading your video. Hope everybody are clear with all the rules and regulations and scramblings for the tournament. So do well and all the best for the tournament. Thank you.